Hey everyone, I'm Garth Laidlaw, an animator and illustrator, and I teach out of the Animation Tutor, which is a partner with PortPrep. And this summer, PortPrep is hosting an incredible animation portfolio summer camp where we're going to be helping students develop the skills that they need to go on and study animation in college or university. So I've been working with students over the past 10 years. I'm a grad of Sheridan College's animation program, and I absolutely love teaching teenagers how to build their artistic skills in a way that is very targeted towards animation, because it is a very unique set of skills that they need to succeed in animation. So this week-long summer camp has an option for accommodations as well as the camp itself. And we basically, the structure of the camp is sort of replicating a very miniature version of what it would feel like to work at a feature film animation studio. So we're going to be doing some sort of pre-production artwork, some concept artwork, some designs, some character designs, building designs, prop designs, things like that. And then eventually we're going to be doing some actual 2D animation as well. It's a packed, intensive week full of awesome training. There's also figure drawing and hand drawing, so some observational skills as well, which is incredibly valuable for any portfolio that you'll be making to apply to animation. So it's a really awesome camp. Please check out our website for more information.